Hello, welcome to Chezplace. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this boho braids with my short natural hair. If this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Thank you. For this boho braids, I'm going to be using this extension which I got from Temu, and then I'll also be using some comb, a white-toothed comb. You will need some clips, you will need a rat tail comb as well as a scissors. I forgot to mention that you'll also be needing a crochet pin. Boho braids is one versatile hairstyle that can be worn to any occasion of your choice. It is easy to install, as you can see. It is lightweight if you follow the right technique of installing it, and also it is easy to maintain, easy to take down as well. I started by first braiding my hair without any of the extension, as you can see me doing the video, and when I got to about a quarter of the length of the braid, I started adding the extension bit by bit. So I did this because I wanted these braids to be as light and as natural as possible. I made sure to finish braiding up until the length of my own hair, and then I stopped. I didn't bother tying the ends of the hair because I knew that it was secure and there was no way it was going to unravel. After that, I took another piece of the extension and crocheted it into that already braided hair and tied it, as you can see me doing the video. If you have watched up to this point, thank you. Please engage this video by liking, sharing, and also dropping your thoughts in the comment box below. Please consider subscribing for more valuable content like this. Thank you so much.
A few hours later.
So this is me done with my hair. I'm just going to put some finishing touches to it, like applying some mousse, to make it more defined, the coils to be more defined, and I'm going to trim as necessary. I am going to be dropping maintenance tips of this extension so that you can wear this protective style for as long as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.